What's up, YouTube? This is Airsoft 24503 doing a review on D90-H Airsoft gun, also known as the P90. This is an battery-operated blaze-away gun. Every minute 400 shoot, 6mm bullets, 400 in BB type, range 20 meters. Yeah. So I will show you what the scores come in with. The gun and the flashlight are over there. Well, first I'll show you, this is the target. It's pretty good. I don't feel like setting it up though. This is an unadjustable red dot sight. Not very good. Silencer, not very good. Charger, it comes with a screwdriver to put on the red dot sight and the flashlight. Unclogging rod, because in the beginning of the gun it will clog up a lot. So yeah, I always had to do that, but now it doesn't clog up at all, especially because I'm using polished BBs. I really recommend those. Alright, so I will be doing a shooting test at my target. So, wait, I'll put my camera right there. And I will shoot. Oh, I saw a BB fly near this camera. I wonder if it hit it. So I will show you what happened to my target. See, made a crack right there. Got a few, well, I got a lot actually. This gun is overall pretty accurate. I was standing about right here. You can barely see that. So I will now be showing you how to, oh yeah, the flashlight is LED, by the way. See? Yeah. So I will show you how to take out the magazine, which is pretty pointless because you can just refill it like this. You don't even need another magazine. But if you do want to be pro, just push these two in. Wait. Yeah, like I said, push these two in. And then you take it up like that, and you just pull. This is the magazine. That is what it looks like inside the gun with no magazine. So yeah, it's pretty easy. The heck? Right. There. Alright, so now I will be showing you the batteries. Well, the battery. So, oh yeah, this also comes with the strap. Alright, so there's a it's locked right now. So how you unlock it is push this down, rip it open. See if you see, there is, you have to connect the wires. Yeah, stick the battery in there. Well, it's self-explanatory. When you actually see it, you'll know what to do. comes also with like all these instructions in different languages and also in English. Yeah, so this gun is all plastic. Yep, it is all plastic. I would recommend buying an adjustable scope, like on my previous video, the green and red dot sight. That is very good. That was $50 off at evike.com. Yeah, so, oh wait, yeah, there's metal right there. So this gun is about 260 to 280 FPS, I think it said. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. My next review will be coming soon on my pistol. Alright, peace. Oh, dang it.